Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Copco 2555-0188 Non-Skid 3-Tier Spice Pantry Kitchen Cabinet Organizer, 15-inch, white/gray. Functional Organizer. Create more space in cluttered cabinets and pantries with this very functional organizer. Perfect for organizing pantry goods. Each shelf is 2.75-inch deep, perfect for organizing spices, soup or vegetable cans, sauces and more. Not limited to just the kitchen. Use outside the kitchen to organize cosmetics, perfume, skincare products, figurines, and office supplies. The possibilities are endless. Durable plastic. The Copco organizer is made from durable, long-lasting plastic with non-slip shelf lining. Measurements. Measures at 3 inches high by 9 inches deep by 15 inches wide. To clean, wipe with a damp cloth when needed. Non-skid cabinet organizers are sized to fit in every kitchen. 3 levels of storage for easy viewing. Non-skid pads are easy to clean. Thanks for watching and subscribe.